Hi guys, welcome to Max's Menu. I'm Max and today I will show you how to cook a famous and traditional Spanish dish, the Tortilla de Patatas. Translated as a Spanish omelette, this dish required only 4 ingredients. 4 potatoes or around 500 grams, 1 onion, 5 eggs and some olive oil. This is a classic and everyday dish from Spain and very easy to make. Allez, let me show you.
We will start by cutting the potatoes. They cannot be too big or too small. I usually cut them in half, then half again, and finally slice them roughly. So right after, take 1 onion and then slice it. Time to fry. So in your pan, add a decent amount of oil, then wait until it gets very hot before adding your potatoes. Make sure you season properly with salt and pepper. Keep stirring your potatoes for them to cook properly, then you can add your onions. You can now cover the pan and let it cook on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until your potatoes are cooked. Break your eggs in a bowl, then beat them properly. When your potatoes and onions are ready, add them to the bowl and mix everything together. Now let's go back to the pan. Add a little bit of oil and wait until it gets very hot before adding the mix. And then it's omelette time. Take your best spatula or spoon and stir the eggs so they don't stuck or overcook at the bottom. In that way the whole mix cook evenly. Of course, a little bit more seasoning. When the eggs start getting cooked, it's at this point we start shaping the tortilla. Put the heat down and get a plate. The most crucial part of the dish is now, which is to turn the tortilla. Then the final touch is all about the beautiful and round shape of the tortilla. And here you go, ready to taste your beautifully cooked, moist and shaped tortilla de patatas. Thank you guys for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon for more recipes.